Hello and welcome to Kodo. In this video, we shall discuss about Bootstrap. So, what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is the world's most popular open source framework to design responsive websites faster and easier. It includes HTML and CSS based design templates, basic HTML form elements like checkbox, radio buttons have been restyled in Bootstrap to give them a modern look. Now question arises that why should we use Bootstrap? We will just take a look on it. Bootstrap is easy to use and set up, and mainly it saves a considerable amount of efforts. It is compatible with all modern browsers like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Opera, etc. Last but not the least, Bootstrap's responsive features. Responsive web design makes your content look good on any screen, for example desktop, tablet or phone. Let's understand this responsive feature by example. Head over to getbootstrap.com. This is the official website for Bootstrap. Now responsive means if you change the screen size, okay, as you can see here, content within it gets adjusted, okay, image size, its alignment, everything is changing accordingly. Now we will see how to download and install Bootstrap. There are two ways for getting Bootstrap. First is using CDN and second is locally, that is you can directly download Bootstrap from getbootstrap.com. Firstly, I will show you using CDN. CDN is Content Delivery Network and it requires internet connectivity to run our code. In order to include the CDN, just go to the site getbootstrap.com. Then you can just scroll down, okay. Here you can see Bootstrap CDN. We just have to copy this whole lines of code and paste it into our application, okay. That's it, and you are ready to code using Bootstrap. Let me quickly show you how to do it. Just copy this code, okay, and we will just paste into our code. I have here this HTML page, okay. In the head part we will copy paste. Just save this and you are ready to use Bootstrap. Now we will see the second way of doing it, that is locally. Again go to getbootstrap.com and then just click on download. Here you can see compile CSS and JS. This download button, you have to click on it, okay. So as you can see in zip format it gets downloaded. You just have to extract in any drive, C or D. I have extracted this for you guys. Then there are two folders, CSS and JS. We need to give the path of this bootstrap minimum.css and in JS this bootstrap minimum.js. So guys, you can specify the path in this way, okay. Minimum CSS and minimum JS. I hope this is clear, okay. Now that we have everything in place, let's use Bootstrap from the next video. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable notification so that you are alerted with the new content. Alright then, with this introduction, let's get started with Bootstrap.